Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like
Peace, peace, y'all. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Back at it with 3 middies in a row, 3 mid safeties in a row. Man, they putting videos out left to right, back to back. So I got another one for y'all. Always shout out to Midwest Safety for providing the videos for me to react to. They stay on top of it, y'all. The title of this is Officer Doesn't Know She's Holding a Knife, a Butcher Knife. Officer doesn't know she's holding a butcher knife. So, before we jump into this video, make sure you call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Let them know Rummy Roma's in the house, in your mouth. Georgia Roma, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth like, oh, oh. I say, oh, oh, oh. Always, always keep your minds right. Keep your mind tight. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your vibes high. All right. Make sure y'all tap into the lives. Okay, we got lives coming up this Saturday and Sunday from 4 to 6. So make sure y'all tap in, join your boy. We can laugh, talk, do all that fun stuff we do on lives. All right. Let's see what's going down. She got a butcher knife, so something ain't right. Obviously, if she walk around with a butcher knife, something ain't right in her head. You know, she could be off. She could be on drugs. We about to find out what's going down. But or she did something to somebody, maybe. Let's see.
Please don't touch me, Dad. Please don't touch me, Dad.
Stop. Stop moving.
Please don't touch me, Dad.
Stop moving.
No, because you really don't understand.
Stop moving.
You can be trapped in a place I can't. No, you don't understand.
Stop.
You can be trapped.
Whoa. Did you hear what she said? You don't understand. You'll get me trapped in a place I can't get out of, sir? What does that mean? Did she just escape from somewhere, maybe? Was she trapped somewhere? Was she in like a cult or something? And she's like wigging out and flipping out and tripping?
Take it out of her.
Stop.
Y'all really don't care about me, do you?
But he's running back. Come on.
No.
Get out of here. Come on.
Whoa, look at the big Jason Voorhees knife, yo.
Drop that.
No.
Drop that.
Damn. She pulled out the Jason Voorhees knife.
Now we got. I guess all. She just pulled a knife on me.
She just walked into the marsh? Is that a marsh?
Yeah, I know. And then she pulled out a freaking knife.
You alright?
Yeah, my shoe's not, but I am. I'm gonna go this way to see if she tries to break out that way. Get on the ground!
Hey, listen to her, man. She owns something.
She's still signal 0. She's running through the wood line.
I wouldn't walk in there like that, bruh. She wants you to come around the corner and hop on your neck and get to slicing and dicing. You should have your taser or something drawn, bruh.
Any more of it?
Listen to her, yo. Who's she talking to?
Howard, you good?
Yeah, I'm right behind her. We're into the homeless camp. Northbound into the woods.
Homeless camp, okay. So that explains a lot.
I'm on the other side of the homeless camp. Back off till the dog gets here.
Yeah, we got about 25 yards and a whole bunch of trees between us. I'm just keeping eyes on from a distance.
I appreciate it. I'll be the shore. Her name's Melody, in case you want to try to talk to her, but
She on that shit.
Looks like a big red knife.
She just entered a tent. She zipped it up. We'll just wait for Kenan to do a challenge on it.
can you tell the color of her tent?
It's green on the bottom and it's tan on the top. It's a whole big old camp back here. I see you. You're right. I'm right to your right. Right here, Sarge. Turn around. She's right inside that tent right there. See, I don't know if there's any other occupants in there.
What's her name?
She said it was Melanie. I don't know if that's actually her name or not. She said she just remember. She's signal 0 with the knife.
Listen, man, you guys share those tent on you.
Who it is? Please let me go.
You need to come out of that tent now. The dog's gonna sit and you will get bit.
There is 2 of me.
There's 2 of me.
Don't trap me away. You literally scarred me forever.
Do you understand what I'm telling you?
I'm scared, please.
You need to come out your hands up or the dog will bite you. Melanie, come out your hands. Melanie, you come out your hands up or the dog will be sitting and you will get bit.
Is there anybody crossfire-wise on that side?
Robots.
Is there anybody?
I don't know.
Real beings.
Yeah, if there's any units on the on-ramp still, let's try to get out of that area and crossfire it off.
I remember not leaving that house.
Melanie,
you
come
touch
out.
me. Don't you touch me.
Whoa, whoa.
Defend myself. I'm a
You
victim
come out
in a
your
case.
hands up, you will
I'm
get
a victim
bit.
in a case. I've been trapped in places that you cannot touch me. You can legally not touch me.
I got a
You can
knife.
legally not touch me.
Broke it
Melanie,
down?
come out. So
You can legally not touch
we
me.
don't have to go here as far,
Please don't hurt
Melanie.
me. You have sex with me my whole life. Please. I would just be so thankful.
We have a
for you
dog.
made
Come out with your
something
hands up.
For me.
Melanie, you come out your hands up,
Please don't touch
or you
me.
will get bit.
Please don't touch me. Please don't. I am starved to death. Please.
Come out,
Don't touch me.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Melanie, don't come out the
Hey, I better leave her alone, boy.
Please don't touch me.
Oh, she's
Don't
Uh-oh.
touch me.
Hey,
Show me your hands.
She's stabbing. Look, hey, don't, you gonna get shot, lady.
I'm a victim. Don't touch me.
Drop the knife.
No, sir.
Drop the knife.
No, sir.
drop the knife.
Drop the knife. Do it now.
Taser.
No. Don't touch me.
They about to air fry you now. Look, get your old ass over there and get to cooking.
Touch me. Don't touch me.
Melanie.
Don't.
Bro, she on some good stuff.
Yeah,
Don't
that's not-
touch me, creep.
Hey, Sandy.
Because you know it.
Be careful, Sandy.
So don't touch me. Sir, don't touch me. I will. No, sir. That helped you in a weird way. It starved me to death. You starved me to death to a profit. I scream in that room and you don't give me no drink. You don't give me no drink. That's strange. No, you're so creepy. Don't do that to me, please. Please.
Sandy, got
I'm terrified. Please.
All right, well, come out.
Come out with your hands up. You won't be hurt.
Trap me, sir.
We're not
Come
going
out with your hands up.
Can you just come out?
You trap
Drop the
me.
knife down and come
You
out.
trap me.
Oh, sorry. What's that?
You heard me. No, not.
Listen, we don't want you to get
You
hurt.
drop that knife and the dog is going to bite you. Do you understand?
Scared to death
Drop
over
the
the
knife,
door.
Melanie.
Do they really want to send the dog in there? Because then, what if the dog go in there and the dog bite her and she starts stabbing the dog? Now she gets charged for murder of a police officer. So do they want to do that, or do they want to try to air fry her again? Y'all know that's my word for taser. You know they gonna bap her, zap her, and tap her.
The knife, the dog is going to bite you.
That's the word. The stethoscope. No, sir.
So what's your name?
When you're ready.
What's your name then?
You know my name.
Are you Melanie or no?
I've always been made to think so.
Okay, so what do you want to go by?
If we can taser, I don't want to stab.
Yeah, I don't want to stab the dog either.
Hey, what do you want to be called?
She was right on the backside. We get her back to the back. For this, please
Okay.
let me give me some
Alright, I'm gonna
space.
try to taser.
Give me some space. Give me some space. I'm right on this Give me space, sir, please. Please don't hurt me. All of you get against me. Please don't hurt me. You're restrained. That's right.
That taser ain't doing nothing, man. Them drugs got her on
Melanie,
superhuman
come
status.
out of his
Don't hurt
head.
me, Dad, please. Don't want to hurt me, Dad. Please, Dad.
She's got that knife.
Good night, Chris.
Don't hurt me, Dad. Dad, please. This is real. I'm a real person. Dad, please. Dad, please. Please, Dad.
Hold on, stand by.
Please, Dad, don't.
I'm gonna cut this.
Don't hurt me, please. Please, Dad, stop.
Be careful.
Dad, why are you doing that?
Be careful.
Dad, please. What the heck, dude? Because you want to, please. Please. No, don't hurt me.
You alright?
Don't touch me.
Back up, Sandy.
Stand back. Back up.
Back up.
Thank you. Sandy, come here.
Back over here.
Sandy, get out of there.
Sandy, back up.
Alright, she cut her. Sandy, get your old ass away from the thing. Damn it, Sandy. Oh, wait.
She's trying to stab through the tent.
Get her on this
Hey, you about to get shot, man.
What's wrong with you? Right there, over here. What's wrong with you? Why would you want to know how to get it? Why would you want to know how to do it?
Oh, they got her.
Keep it going,
My
man.
God, that really hurts. Dude, that really hurts.
Knife.
Dude, that hurts. Please.
I got her controlled.
Please don't hurt me.
She's built into zero.
Guys, don't touch me. I'm a
Crossfire,
victim my whole life.
Crossfire.
I'm a victim my whole life.
If you don't come out now,
Sir, I'm a victim.
Everybody crossfire.
put the knife out the tent now.
You're going to be okay, sir.
Put the tent out now.
You're gonna get shot.
Now. Do it now.
They about to kill her,
Do
man.
it now.
I'm a real
Put the knife out the tent now.
person, guys.
Do it now.
Guys,
Do it now.
turn on me.
Do it now. Drop the knife
Drop
out
the knife.
now. Do it now.
Drop the knife.
Do it now.
That hurts
Yes.
Yes.
She's not dropped it yet.
so bad.
Put the knife out the tent now.
Yes.
Put the knife out now.
I got another cartridge.
She's bleeding, so you guys can get
Yeah, I see it. Melanie, put the knife out the tent now. Do it now.
knife down.
Do it now, Melody.
Melody, we're not going anywhere. Drop the knife and come out. We don't want to hurt you.
Put the knife down. Come out. We don't have to end this way.
That's not true.
Melody, come.
Hey man, she is on a whole nother level, dog. She's talking to whatever demons she has around her and demons that she sees and everything she got going on in her head right now. She is on a whole different frequency right now. Like the Holy Ghost done told me everything's gonna be alright. Whisper. The Holy Ghost done told me everything's gonna be alright. That's what she, like, who she talking to? Like, I'm a victim. She hears, she says, I'm a victim. Like, don't trap me. I didn't, all type of stuff. The prophet of death told me I need to come here and be here. If somebody says the prophet of death gave me his last breath and told me that if you come to my tent, I'm going to hit you with the yem, it's time for her to, the taser's not working. The taser might be energizing and fueling her fury or her rage or her energy. You putting that electricity to her, you air frying her, you might be making that frequency just stronger. Are they gonna shoot her? Well, I mean, what would you guys do? Drop down in the comments if you was a cop. If I was Betty's old ass, I damn sure wouldn't have jumped up there. Betty need to go back to the Golden Girls and do what you're supposed to do. Make people laugh, Betty. Get your ass up out the grass and on top of the tent and all that stuff. This is not what you do, Betty. Come on now.
Melody, put the knife out.
Please.
We're trying to help you.
Hey, Sandy, move out just in case.
Please, just let me have space.
Sandy, Betty, whatever your name is, get your ass out the thing.
Put the knife out the tent.
I will need.
Put the knife out the tent.
You're not caring about me at all.
That's not the second
You
knife.
forced me to be here.
Second knife.
I know.
Melody, I will talk to you and give you water if you come out of the tent, but we cannot help you until you come out.
Melanie, come on out for us.
Please, Dad. Please, Dad.
Please, Dad.
No, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Please, please. You don't ever
Drop the
care about
knife.
me.
Do it now.
You don't never care about me.
Drop the knife. Do it now.
So weird. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. You're not. This can't be you.
Don't shoot.
Don't hurt me. This can't be you. This can't be you.
Drop the knife.
What the heck? What's wrong with you guys? That really hurt me.
Drop the knife.
Why would you want to hurt me?
We don't want to hurt
I'm
you.
terrified.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife, Melanie. Get it over with.
Melody, I don't want to tase you again.
Come on.
It's so bad.
I know, so drop
Why
the
would you
knife.
want to hurt me?
Drop the knife.
Melanie, nobody wants to hurt you.
We just want you to drop the knife so you don't get hurt. Drop the
I've been
knife.
trapped in it forever. Forever, guys.
Drop the knife.
Forever.
Yeah, I know. I just can't
You
right
don't
there.
understand. You get taken away.
You drop the knife.
Don't let me be. I wouldn't want to die.
Drop the knife.
Melanie.
All you got to do is drop the knife. We can get you water.
No, you won't.
Yes, we will get you
wait
water.
forever and you do all of your things first. You never care about me. I know it's gonna happen.
Taser.
I know.
Oh, Brian, they're cooking. They're cooking. Hey,
I'm sorry. Come out.
she dropped the knife.
Get on the ground.
Why are you hurting me? No, why are you hurting me? That's weird.
Sandy, move. Why is Sandy getting on my nerves? Move.
No. He already pulled that one out.
I know, but I can do it.
Yep, there's another knife right here. Big fillet knife. Yep, there's another knife with a black handle. Ag battery. Yeah.
She's got a mark, but it's
Sure.
yeah.
I already checked her.
Are you done, Melanie? Melanie, are you done?
Melanie.
Can we?
So Sandy getting on my nerves just because she too old to be out there doing that, Sandy. Dang, like just get out the way. Like you putting yourself in too much danger for no reason. Like, how are you going to jump on somebody with a knife and the men are there like with guns and tasers? You got to assess the situation, Sandy, first before you just go diving in head first. Betty Crocker looking ass, man.
Walk either not, then double clap or anything else.
Hey, Melanie, you said you're going to work with me, right? Yeah. Tell my Sarge you're good. She said she's good as long as I don't leave her.
These bugs are bad.
Good job, baby.
After gaining control of the suspect, the officers escorted her out of the woods and placed her in a squad car, where she was later taken to jail. The officer that was stabbed luckily received minimal minor cuts during the incident. She was given a tetanus shot at the hospital, treated for her minor injuries, and released. The suspect, Melanie, was charged with felony aggravated assault on an officer. She is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Florida law enforcement initiates nearly 100 psychiatric evaluations every single day, roughly comparable to aggravated assault arrests statewide. That's how common these calls really are. And watching this back, you can see this started as somebody completely disconnected from reality. She's hearing gunshots and convinced people are...
Yeah, exactly right. I don't need you to say it, man. You messing up my live, cuz. You messing up my video. About to say what I'm about to say. But yeah, I already knew that. That's what I would have said before he said it. She definitely was somewhere else. Psychiatric help is what she needs. She definitely needs to be admitted somewhere, get whatever drugs is up out her system, and see if she still acts the same or if it was just the drugs. Now, if it was just the drugs, then it's all right. We get you up out the psych ward, we get you clean. Now we take your ass to jail because you was tripping. Okay, you was on a whole nother level. You was on something maybe you probably shouldn't smoke, and it took you to a place you didn't want to be. Her where she didn't want to be. Right? So bad. That could have been very, very bad. They could have ended her life, man. They showed her some grace because she definitely put all of them in danger. She definitely was trying to hurt them. That's what I don't get. Would the situation be different if it was somebody else? Huh? Would it be? Would it be different if it was a guy? Would it be different if she was a different race? Would it be? We don't know. We can't assume. But if somebody is actively trying to slash you with a Jason Voorhees knife, then that means the cops have every right to shoot you. They've shot people for less. So she is lucky she had the group of cops she had to stop her, because if it was another cop who was just like F it and start shooting, she wouldn't be here. So I will congratulate the cops on that. Good job for actually showing some restraint and care and trying to talk her down and negotiate her down. I think all in all together they did a good job, except for Sandy's old ass. Sandy's old ass, they should have said, stay your ass back in the car and radio somebody. Okay? And while you at it, whoop up them cookies you did last week that you brought to the bake sale. Because I didn't get none. I'm still hungry, Sandy. That's what you should be doing. Okay? Sandy looked like she should be at the front desk with the police suit on, making the reports. That's what Sandy looked like. But Sandy out there she's still trying to be out there in the mix of things. But good video. We don't know what happens. You know, they never really, after... her conviction and all that stuff, they don't never really say too much. But all in all, good video. Make sure you call a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know Rome's in the house, in your mouth. Jojo Rome, I'm in the house and I'm in your mouth like ooh, ooh. I say ooh, ooh, ooh. Always, always, always keep thriving and surviving. Keep your minds right, keep your mind tight, keep your vibes high, right? Because times is really rough, man. They're trying to pit us against each other. They're trying to do everything they can to break us. So please stay headstrong. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. All right. Keep thriving and surviving out here, y'all. All right. Catch me on the live this Saturday, Sunday from 4 to 6. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Be easy.